Hi, I am Sagar Kalra. I'm 21 years old and I'm from Mumbai, India. If I had to describe myself, I would say I'm ambitious, I am resilient, as well as I'm a flexible planner. I'm a flexible planner because I would like to know what I would be doing the next day and just jot down my priorities or to do list, but I also leave room for things that are unexpected. I like to be organized in a way where I understand what am I spending my time on so I can um, become like a better, like manage myself better. And to work on this, I've been journaling for the past 9 months every day. So yeah. And the other thing is ambitious because I believe that if you put your mind to something, you can definitely achieve it because you have a direction about where you want to go and you can figure out how to get there on your like on the way while you're working towards it. For me, my ambition is to transform the education system. Why education? Because I believe that if I'm able to educate someone, it creates a long-term impact on them which they can even pay forward. And secondly, it gives them like the power to change their lives on their own. They have like the required knowledge and awareness to be able to understand where they are and where they would like to be. The third part is resilience because I believe that every situation has a solution, and either you take a break to freshen your mind or like just freshen up, and or you can just push through and like make it towards the end. And I've had instances as well in the past, certain events, certain personal things where I was able to at least like keep pushing on and find a solution or just manage the crisis. So yeah, I would say that would be it. That's who I am. So it's been 3 years since I've joined ISAC. I joined ISAC in August 2018. I joined ISAC in Mumbai where I became the LCBP OGE. Then currently I was the MCVP brand and marketing for ISAC in Singapore, and currently I'm the GST for PR. And the reason that I've stayed for so long is because I believe that ISAC is the best leadership academy that's out there. Through ISAC, I had like an opportunity to explore so many different fields. I got sales and operations, business development, event management, marketing and public relations. I had the opportunity when I was 19 years old to actually lead a department of 17 individuals, then also be like a coordinator or like the end responsible for Youth Speak Forum, was largest lesson, global goals run, and another notable couple of events would be played a part in Global Leadership Day, even organized international train the marketers in association with four other entities. And I was grateful to also be a part of the ISEC Way refreshment team, represent ISAC at One Young World Summit, and also be a speaker at like multiple events and conferences due to my position at ISAC as well. And I'm grateful to ISAC for the friends that I made, the global network I have, the memories I can cherish now, and also the opportunities it gave me. And lastly, for helping me to find my purpose. My purpose is to build a world that is better, more creative, and compassionate. My experiences in ISAC give me the confidence to go after my purpose with the support of the network and skills that I've developed. I want to continue in ISAC because I can see myself continue to grow in this organization, and I want to give back to the next generation of ISACers to make them feel the same way about ISAC. I want them to be able to call ISAC the best leadership academy because of the memories, the network, and the skills that they will be able to develop. Over the past 70 years, ISAC has always strived to make the world a better place. We have scaled across the globe and been relevant by delivering our purpose in the most relevant way in the context in which we existed. I would like to continue to embrace the context in which we live in and to build an ISAC that is more relevant, connected, and reputable across the globe. I want to deliver a fulfilling experience to each member of ISEC and help them become value based leaders that positively impact the world. In the year 2022, I want to help ISEC to shape a leadership movement, a movement that amplifies the voices and actions of young leaders to create a better, more creative, and compassionate world.